Hey, I'm Rick Edwards.
I'm Alexa Chung, and you're watching T4. Or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, like, what's coming up on the show today, Alexa?
Who cares? Shows are lame.
Yeah, they're rubbish.
Yeah.
Here's an episode of Friends, which you've probably already seen about 6 million times.
Friends? I've got lots of friends. There's Peaches, Trixie, Grimmy, Cuthbert, Dibble, Barney McGrew. I've got loads of cool friends, not like you losers at home.
Yeah, you are really cool, Alexa.
I know. By the way, have I ever mentioned that my boyfriend's in the Arctic Monkeys?